Cut a leg off your tights at the top. Cut the toe off the tights at the bottom. Turn the tights round so that the toe end is on the right. Make sure the tights are laying flat. Cut 1 cm wide strips across the tights leg. Make sure you leave about 1 cm uncut at the top. Open the tights out and lay your hand flat inside. Cut in diagonals across the centre of the tights. Take care not to cut your hand by accident. For the last cut, cut a diagonal to the edge of the tights. Now pull on your tights yarn bit by bit so that it curls in on itself. Now you have your yarn. Wind it into a ball so that it doesn't tangle.